Changing your username on Google Wallet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the username. Step 2. Access account settings. In the app, locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Tap on it to open the menu, then select Settings or Account Settings from the list. Step 3. Select Username option. Within the account settings, look for an option labeled Username or Profile. Tap on this option to proceed to the Username Change section. Step 4. Enter new username. You will see a field where you can enter your new desired username. Type in the new username you want to use, ensuring it meets any specified requirements such as character limits. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap this button to confirm your changes and update your username. Once you have completed these steps, your Google Wallet username will be successfully changed. Make sure to log out and back in to see the update reflected in your account.